Good morning, students. This is Raju, Associate Professor in the Department of ECE in Ramchandra College of Engineering. I am going to explain about expectation or mean and variance with examples in random variables and stochastic process subject. Mathematical expectation or mean is defined as if capital X is a random variable and it is having a probability distribution function capital Fx of x. So then the averaging process of random variable x, the averaging process of random variable x is called, that is mathematical expectation. For example, capital X is a random variable, capital X is a random variable, and then the averaging process means the random variables assigns the real number into particular real number probability, corresponding probability multiplied plus addition of second real number into corresponding probability of that particular real number. So that divided by total is, so that is the averaging process. That is the averaging process. So means averaging process or mathematical expectation means it is the averaging process is applied on a random variables. It is denoted with capital E of x, capital E of x. So that is the expectation. Suppose, for example, capital X is a discrete random variable. It is a discrete random variable, and x, the values are having, as you know, that it is x1, x2 up to xn, just assumption. The corresponding probabilities are p of x is equal to 1, 2, 3, n, means p of x1, p of x2, p of x3 up to p of xn. Then the expectation capital E of x or mean value of the random variable is defined as E of x is equal small m equal, that is I equal to 1 to n xi into probability of xi. So here it is xi is a real number and probability of xi means it is a corresponding probability of this particular real number. So that gives the mean value of the random variable x for a discrete random variables. Next, if x is a continuous random variable, then the averaging process or the expectation value or mean value is defined as, for a continuous random variable, that is E of x is equal minus infinity to plus infinity x into density function fx of x dx. Here x is a random real numbers value and fx of x is a density function of that particular real number value. So it is the expected value for the continuous random variables. Next, if just assume that if g of x is a random variable, so then the expected value or mean value or that is averaging process value is defined as E of g of x is equal, that is g of xi multiplied with probability of xi. Here g of xi is a real number or random variable and p of xi is a particular random variable probability. If it is discrete random variable, if it is continuous random variable, then we are going for calculate, that is E of g of x is equal minus infinity to plus infinity g of x into fx of x dx. Variance. If the random variable is having probability distribution function and already calculated mean value or expected value, even though if it is not, the PDF is expected value is not characterized, does not characterize completely. So then they are going to calculate variance value. Variance means it is spread value or dispersion value about the mean. So means it is, if x is a random variable, xi is the real number values. So then that is xi minus mean value, xi minus m whole square gives the variance of that particular random variable x. So means it is also named as, that is second moment. So means, so why you are going for variance means if it is not satisfied for the expected value to characterize the probability distribution function. So then they are going to calculate, that is variance. So expected value is also named as first moment, and variance or second moment. It is also, variance is also named as, that is second moment. So variance is also defined as, it is a spread value or dispersion value about the mean. Spread or dispersion value about the mean is also called as variance of that particular random variable. The variance or dispersion of random variable x is given here, that is denoted with sigma x square, is equal e of x minus e of, this is random variable x minus e of x whole square, or x minus e of x means expected value. So variance, dispersion with mean means, that is x minus mean means m whole square, where m represents the mean value or expected value of the random variable x. So this is about, if x is a discrete random variable, so then it can measure like this: sigma x square is equal I equal to 1 to n xi minus m whole square into probability of xi. That is sigma x square equal xi minus m whole square into probability of x equal to xi. So you can expand. So that is, if it is a continuous random variable, so then the variance can be written as sigma x square is equal minus infinity to plus infinity x minus m whole square into fx of x dx. So this expression can be further simplified as sigma x square is equal minus infinity to plus infinity x minus m whole square equal x square plus a minus b whole square m square minus 2xm into fx of x dx. Here multiplied with fx of x dx, that is x square into fx of x dx plus m square into fx of x dx integration minus infinity to plus infinity minus 2xm into fx of x dx. But as you know that x square into fx of dx gives the e of x square value, because x into fx of x dx equal to e of x. So that is the reason here e of x square, this is equivalent to e, plus m square is, m is a constant, so that is the e of m square is outside, fx of dx equal to 1. So m square minus 2 into, that is e into x into m. So m is a constant value, taking outside 2m into e of x. So therefore again e of x, here e of x square same as it is, plus m square minus 2m into e of x is a means, that is m. Therefore you can written as e of x square plus m square minus 2m square equal e of x square minus m square. That is, finally the variance sigma x square is defined, that is e of x square minus m square equal, that is E of x square means second moment, that is m2 minus this is m1 square. This is the mean value of the first. So that is the value. Therefore, sigma x square equal to E of x square minus m square. That is equal to m2 minus m1 square. So in this expression, E of x square is called as second moment, and the variance is also called as second central moment of a random variable. The positive square root or sigma x of the variance is called as second deviation of the random variable x. Find the, we are going for one example, that is find the expected value and dispersion of the discrete random variable x whose probability distribution is given below. X equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is given that, and P of x equal to x means probability, corresponding probability is equal 1.1. For 2, the probability is 0.1. For 3, the probability is 0.3. For 4, the probability is 0.3. For 5, the probability is 0. Then we need to calculate that is expected value. Find a discrete random variable. If it is a discrete random variable, then the E of x is defined as, that is xi into P of x equal to xi. So this is the discrete random variable mean. So equal 1 into 0.1 plus 2 into 0.1 plus 3 into 0.3. Random variable real number into corresponding particular value. So that gives the averaging process. So therefore 4 plus 0.4 into 0.3 plus 5 into 0.2. So it gives the averaging value. It gives the averaging procedure. That is equal to 0.1 plus 0.2 plus 0.9 plus, that is equal E of x equal 3.4. So means this is the averaging process. Averaging process means the random variable value, that is real number value, multiplied with corresponding probability plus cumulative addition 2 into random variable real number value 2 into particular probability 0.1 plus 3 into 0.3. So this gives the, that is mean value or expected value. If the character, if it is not satisfied with this characterization, the PDF with probability distribution function characterization, so then we are going to calculate, that is variance value, variance. So that is the case. Next we need to calculate, that is variance. Variance means, as you know, that it is the dispersion value with respect to mean. Then it is named as variance. That is sigma x square equal a equal to 1 to 5 is given the values, only 5 values. So then xi minus m whole square into probability of x equal to xi, probability of x equal to xi. So then xi value is 1 minus, that is mean value already calculated, that is 3.4. So then 2 minus xi value is 2 minus 3.4 whole square into point corresponding probability. Xi minus m whole square into corresponding probability. 3 minus 3.4 whole square into 0.3 plus 4 minus, that is 3.4 whole square into 0.3 plus 5 minus 3.4 whole square into point. So this equivalent value is 0.516, 0.576 plus 0.196 plus 0.048 plus 0.108 plus this equivalent value is 0.512. Sigma x square equal 1.44. So like this we can calculate the, that is mean value or expected value and variance values. So finally the variance or expected value means it is the averaging. If we are applied averaging process is applied on random variables, so then it is named as, that is expected value or real expected value or mean value. If it is not satisfied with that characterization on PDF, then we are going for, that is random that is expected value. If you are not satisfied with this, then you are going for variance value. Variance means it is the dispersion value or variance with respect to mean is called as, that is, variance. Thank you.